another Angel on the Go video. My mask is falling off. It is the day after Easter, and we are going to see what Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart has. So let's hope that they have something. So the first store that we're going into, I don't know if they can see it because it's super bright. We're actually in Walgreens. So everything right now is 50% off. Let's see what we can find. Ready?
Now I'm gonna win.
All right, let's see. Let's see if there's anything in here. Minnie. So the only thing that we found that we're getting right now, you guys, are these right here. Look at how cute these are. These are huge. This is the Disney Mickey Jumbo basket. Look at that. Look how big this is. You guys, we do well with these. I'm gonna show you the inside. Look at that. They got the little eggs, and these are actually 50% off, right? All right, so how much are these coming up?
$7.50.
All right, you guys, so these are coming up $7.50. $7.50. Look how big it is. Here's the bottom of it. And again, we do well with these, so we're actually getting these, and we're going to leave everything else here. All right, you guys, so we scored Mickey heads. They didn't have bags big enough, so we're just going to walk out the store with them. We paid. We got our receipt. But you know what? Look at Manny.
I'm charging.
I had it on film.
I'm charging.
Let's hope it didn't get too dirty. But we were asking her, or I was telling Manny, too bad they don't have Minnie Mouse. And she said that they just sold the Minnie Mouse about an hour ago. So we're going to head down here. We're going to, you know, I think I showed the street. If you guys are from the area, you guys know where we're at. But we're going to head down to another Walgreens because we want to try to get Minnie Mouse. We got Mickey. Now we need Minnie. So how much do we pay again?
$7.50.
$7.50. You guys, they do well. That's all we're going to say. Look at Manny's eyes.
That's a jumbo Mickey Mouse bucket, so...
Right. It's not the small one. That's the huge one, you guys. So we're going to check out one more Walgreens to see if we can find Minnie, because we got 2 jumbo Mickey baskets. Then we're going to hit up CVS and Walmart. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, we are at another Walgreens just to see if we're able to find the matching Minnie Mouse jumbo plush head that we found, of the Mickey. So we're at another one, but I want to show you guys this. We're like in a tourist area right now. Look at this, you guys. I hope you guys can see. This is actually SeaWorld over here. That's the huge roller coaster at SeaWorld. I don't know what this roller coaster is called, but this is SeaWorld, you guys. You guys can see the corner. It has the SeaWorld sign. I hope you guys can see right there. And let me come over here. So This is how close we live to all the parks. We live by SeaWorld, Universal, and Disney. So all of this over here, you guys, is actually SeaWorld. Look at that. Hey, would you get on that? Yeah. I would not get on that, you guys. This thing is huge. I'm scared.
Not that bad.
You crazy. That thing is huge. All right, so you ready to go find the Minnie?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see. We'll be back, you guys. Look at this, you guys. I cannot make this up. Look, we found a Minnie. Man, we found a Minnie.
I tell you, my phone.
She's just sitting out there. You guys, we did not plant this. We didn't plant this. Look at this. We found a Minnie. We weren't even going to come to this Walgreens. This is a Walgreens, you guys, that's close to our house. And I told Manny to stop. And, of course, he was like, nah, we got to keep going. We got to go home. And I'm like, no, I got a good feeling.
Nobody even believed it.
You guys, look at the Minnie we found. Look at this. Here's the inside of this one. All right, so we now got one Minnie and we got two Mickey, right? All right, so this is what they have over here. I cannot believe we found a Minnie. Oh, look at this.
Is that the Lady Gaga one?
Lady Gaga Oreos?
Yeah, famous right now?
Yeah, I think so. This is that part of Easter? All right, you guys, we're gonna check to see the price on these, and we'll be back. All right, you guys, we are now in front of Walmart, your favorite store. And we're about to go check out their Easter section. 50% off again.
It's gonna be crazy here.
It's gonna be crazy. Look at the parking lot, you guys.
Everybody runs to 50.
Yeah, for some reason everybody runs to 50, but we like to wait it out. So we're gonna go ahead and see what they have in here. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, we are in the Easter section at Walmart, and we're gonna show you what they actually have at 50% off. All right, so these are the items. Again, it's 50% off. At least they got more than Walgreens. I got these Sharpies. And we just ran into a subscriber. All right, so
He called my name. I was like, I was trying to like think back, like where I know him from. I didn't think about it.
yeah, so thanks for watching our channel. It was nice meeting you today. All right, so again, they got what is this? Oh, this is the Easter die. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So everything again, you guys, is 50% off. They got all of these. They got these Sharpies. All right, so again, we're here just to show you guys what they have left. They have some candy. And again, we're in Walmart right now. I love Kit Kat. No candy for you.
Save $1 to buy two.
Oh, okay. All right, so you guys save $1 when you buy two. I wonder how much they are. Here, scan it. They're probably 50% off. They got these little Reese's eggs, you guys. They got these mini eggs. They got the Reese's Thins. Let's see what else they got. So they got a bunch of candy. Look at that, Manny. Have you tried this?
Mm-hmm.
That looks good.
It is good.
Man, that's a big giant bar. Look at that.
It's dark.
Oh, it's dark chocolate. It's getting kind of crowded in here, so I'm gonna rush through here.
You kidding me, right?
Wait a minute. Hold on, babe. Wait a minute. That's not Easter. Yo, look at that, you guys. We cannot make this up. Look at that. These are Valentines.
10 cents.
Look at that. Hold on. Manny just scanned it. Hold on, you guys. Look at that. Somebody put the Easter stuff, the Valentine stuff in the Easter stuff. Look at that. 10 cents. 10 cents. Are you taking them? All right, Manny's taking them.
10 cents.
So these are all 10 cents, you guys. Look at this. Scan that one too. Is that Easter too, or is that Valentine?
No, that's Easter.
Just double scan it. Okay, they got these bags. I think on the other side, you guys, they're taking down shelves, so it's super loud. But they got these over here. I mean, I wish they had more plush. I don't see no plush. They got a bunch of books in here. Oh, what's this? Some kind of dye kit.
Oh, those are the fake eggs to dye.
This is from Toy Story, I think. They got the scented dough. So you guys, this is what they actually have in Walmart. We'll probably go to another one to see if they have any other stuff. But wait a minute. Does that say Valentine?
Yeah, it does.
What? What is going on at Walmart?
I'm trying to get off the extra little holiday stuff that was laying around.
You guys, it's after Easter and we're still finding Valentine. We did not put this here. We didn't plan it. We just seen it. And then I just seen this. Let's scan this. How much do you think this is? I think this is like 20 cents. I think it's 20 cents. Here, you guess. How much?
Quarter.
You think a quarter? Okay, I say 20 cents.
Oh, 20. Oh,
all right, let's see.
10 cents.
It's 10 cents, you guys. 10 cents.
I mean, they probably got anything Valentine.
Right. You guys, it's not supposed to be 10 cents at 90. It's actually supposed to be 29. And then these two are ringing up 10 cents. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to just go through this whole aisle to see if we can find some more Valentines at 10 cents. Guys, we are at the register. We came to show you Easter, and we're checking out with Valentine's. Does that make any sense? I can even make this up, you guys. Look at that. Valentine, Valentine, Valentine. And don't forget, we got that one too. Let me scan this one. Guys, 10 cents. We cannot make it up. Alright, are we gonna go broke? Let's see. Alright, Manny's been scanning for a minute. Look at all this. So we're gonna see where we're at right now. We're only at $2 and something cents. That is nothing. That is crazy. Alright, so our Walmart Easter video came out to be a Walmart Valentine video. Alright, so after we check out with all these, you guys, we already scanned this one. We're going to go head off to CVS to see what we can find. Are you almost done?
I'm done.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, Manny is done. We just scanned all these. On that one, and our grand total, $3.52. $3.52. Only on Angel on the Go. Alright, you guys. We are at CVS. Here's Manny right here. We are at CVS, you guys. This is our last stop. We showed you guys Walgreens. We showed you guys Walmart. Even though we found Valentine's Day stuff. And right now, we're walking into CVS. Alright, you guys, they didn't have hardly anything in CVS, so Manny's still in the store. He's actually scanning stuff. We're going to go ahead and end this video. So make sure you guys check out your local CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart for after Easter sales. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.